What's up, everybody? Welcome back to A Trucker's Life. I'm Jorge Navarro. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you've already been subscribed, welcome back, guys. And yeah, we're headed back home already. Not much happened other than a bunch of rain and rain and rain and rain the whole time while we were up in Virginia. Going through Lake Charles right now. Still a lot of devastation, still a lot of trees down and billboards and roofs, and just a mess. Still a mess out here. Hopefully everybody recovers and it's back to as normal as it can be for this year, at least. Anyways, I did something that I kind of been wanting to do for a little while, and it is putting a camera inside the engine bay while I was driving. I don't know how much you guys would even care about that, to watch it or listen to it. Not much listening to it because it's pretty loud, and the sounds that the GoPro picks up are kind of weird. It makes the engine sound kind of a little weird than what it actually sounds like. So if you hear a bunch of like weird knocking and all that other stuff, yeah, that's, I think they're having a food drive over there. And all this is still destroyed. Steamboat Bill is one of my favorite restaurants. I actually drove all the way from Texas just to come eat at Steamboat Bill's before, a long time ago. And very good food, highly recommend. If you're ever in Louisiana, Lake Charles, Steamboat Bill's, but I don't believe it's open yet. It looks like it's still closed. But anyways, back to the engine thing. So I like I said, I placed the camera, and I bought this this little light that goes on top of, I don't think I have it right here where I can show you guys, but anyways, I bought this little light that goes on top of the GoPro, and I'm like, I've always wanted to see what the engine kind of does with the whole like accelerator mechanism and all that stuff when you're actually going down the road. And I don't know, I just thought that it was for myself. I'm just so curious about things that I decided to put it in the engine bay. And here in the future, I'm just going to start placing it in odd places under the truck and over the truck and all that other stuff, just to see how certain things are moving while we're going down the road. I think that'd be pretty interesting for myself, but I know some of you guys really don't care, so you might want to skip this one if that's not something that you even really care about. But without further ado, after we come down this bridge here in Lake Charles, we're gonna go ahead and put, now hold on, stop before I go ahead and play the engine sound and all that stuff, or video. I'm not recording that right now. This was something that I recorded a few days ago. So there's I'm leaving it in a certain area where there's a lot of hills, so you can see more of the way the actuator is moving and different sounds of the engine. But like I said, the sounds that the engine's giving out is a lot different than what you're actually going to hear on the audio, just because I don't know how to be able to make it where it just sounds smooth and just engine. So I don't know. Without further ado, guys, I don't know if you'll enjoy this, but here is the 2019 Paccar with 515 horsepower. So here it is. right, well, I don't know how interesting that was for you guys. When I went back and I watched the video, it was actually kind of pretty cool for me to watch how the whole actuator is moving and just to be inside the engine bay while you're going down the road. I thought that was pretty cool. But just a short little video of those different situations or loads that the engine was under, the startup, and then all that other stuff. Now, at the beginning of the video, you heard an engine start, which was actually the other truck that was next to me, so you didn't hear that wrong. The engine did actually, a truck next to me with the same exact engine actually did start up first, and then we started up. That's why y'all heard that other sound there. But anyways, guys, thank you guys again for joining me one more time, guys. I just thought that was super interesting for me, and thought that maybe you guys, one of you guys, would find that somewhat interesting. But anyways, thank you guys again for joining me one more time, guys. Don't forget to be kind to one another. Help anybody needs help. Anybody contemplating suicide, 1-800-273-8255. Military men and women, thank you so much for your service. See you guys in a few days. Peace.